Hey there tubers, it's me AMR. Welcome to another one of my unboxing videos. In this video I will be unboxing a microphone which I really need at the moment, because most of you guys in my recent videos have been telling me that I've got loads of background sound because I sit next to the window and all the window cars that are going by, all the crazy kids that are playing outside, you can hear them, plus my voice is really low and the current microphone that I use. So I bought this one. So far I don't like the packaging of it. Packaging seems a bit odd unless the seller on eBay try to save money. So basically this is going to be the basic stand. You can't get upgradable stand for this. So to basically make it more like to your face, here's the microphone itself. Looks pretty tiny and it's pretty lightweight. Usually lightweight microphones and speakers do not be that good in quality, but maybe this is something different. Let's put that to our side. What else is in the box? I don't know what this is. Might be the original microphone's instruction manual or something, or packaging, I don't know. So it's a condenser microphone, and wow, I don't understand why the camera quality is not focusing right now. So here you go. I'm not going to be doing any singing, that's what it says. High performance, I hope it is. And for those of you who understand this, go ahead. Right there, the camera quality is going absolutely awesome. Specifications, you have a look. Pause the video. Because I don't know my microphone very well. I just heard that this is a pretty basic and pretty good microphone, so I got it. And what else is in the box? Nothing. So out goes this. And let's look at the microphone itself. It's nicely wrapped in the bag. I know what you guys are thinking. Next up, please do a tripod unboxing video. But I've already got a tripod, I just don't have the right stand for it. So let me just get this out, and then once it's out, I will be putting it in the stand. Right, on first glance, it looks very nice. This is like a little rubbery feel. As you can see already, one of the cosmetic things are already getting off. I mean, is that meant to be? Yeah, that's a rubber. That's a bit cheapish, but I don't know what that rubber is meant to be for. But anyways, overall, it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks somewhat really professional. Condenser microphone, SF-666, and it's got a not USB jack. I'm saying it's a headphone jack, which can pretty much fit into everything, including your phone, laptop, whatever. Now let me just put it inside the stand. Right, it's in the stand. It just pretty much just sits there, and it just looks like one of the badass microphones. Yeah. So just a close look up. By the way, it just slots in there, and nothing special. Instructions on how to slot in there, and there is nothing much here. Right now, I am using my phone's my S8 Plus's normal video recorder with this built-in microphone. So basically, the next video I make on this channel, the voice that you will be hearing will be this microphone's voice, basically recording. And you can compare that with my previous videos. And please write down the videos below, not videos below, write down the comment below what you think of the voice. Is it improved? Or, if there's no point of it. This cost me $9.99 from eBay. You can pretty much get this everywhere. I forgot the name of this microphone, but it's going to be written in the title. And yeah, feel free to launch in as many comments as you want. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching AMR. Peace out.